these are connected together and a force 18 Newton is applied, then the acceleration of the blocks that is same for all, because the force applied is common force. Therefore, all the blocks will move with the same acceleration. This is the condition. We had to find out T1 also, we had to find out T2 also, we had to find the acceleration also. This is the condition. Then when it is pulled this one, this body will pull this one with a force along this direction. Therefore, this will pull in the opposite direction. So this is taken as equal to T1 I can write. So this body is pulling this with a force that is equal to T2. And this will also will apply a force that is T2. Means every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So both are, this is T1, both are T1 only. Every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So these are the things. mg and other things are not taken into account. Why? Because the body is moving in the forward direction horizontal. And this mg is acting downwards and r is, they are cancelling forces. That does not make any contribution, or that does not give any contribution to the motion of this. So that is cancel. Motion has nothing to do with normal reaction and weight. The bodies are kept on the table, and the table gives equal and opposite reaction that cancels each other. Then the imbalanced forces only will take the body in the forward direction. Imbalanced force means net force. Right. Now we can do, right? So acceleration same I told you. Yeah, okay. Remember why? Because the force acting on the system is common, that is 18 Newton. Now, first of all, case number, force on C. We can say force on C, body C. Body C, the free body diagram you see. This body is acting by only one force, that is T2 only, right? So T2 pulls the body in the forward direction. Therefore, we can write T2 is equal to M3A. T2 is equal to T2 is equal to M3A. M3 that is equal to M3 is 50. That is equal to 50A. We can write. This is equation number 1. 50A. Very simple. Because the value of M3 10, 30, 50. Right? 3 bodies with the strings, and the masses are 10 kg, 30 kg, and 50 kg. They are pulled by a force of 18 Newton. Right? On a frictionless surface. There is no friction. Smooth surface means frictionless surface. Okay. Next, force on B. Force on B is equal to, see, B is acting by 2 forces. One force T1 is in the forward direction, one force T2 in the reverse direction. That is given by, we can write there. What is the net force is T1 minus T2. In this case, you will write T1 minus T2 is equal to M2A. You will write M2 is 30. That is equal to 30A. We can write. Means the resultant force acting on B is, one force is T1 is pulling in the forward direction, other is the reaction force, that is T2. So B is acting about 2 forces. One is T1 and the other is T2. T2 in the backward direction, T1 is in the forward direction. But the T1 is greater than T2. Therefore, T1 minus T2. That is the resultant force acting on B. Resultant force acting according to Newton's second law of motion is mass into acceleration. What is the mass of that? M2 into acceleration. Therefore, M2 is, the value of M2 is 30. That is 30A. We have this equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Then force acting on A. Force acting on A is equal to force acting on A means, that means 2 forces are acting on A. Which are the 2 forces? 18 Newton acting in the forward direction, and T1 acts. T1 is T1. Because A is pulling the body B with a force T1. Therefore, B will pull the body in the forward direction with the same force T1. So that is why that is given by, that is capital F minus T1 is equal to, what's that? M1A. M1A we can write. M1A is equal to what? That is equal to 10A. So these are the 3 forces. So 3 equations also we got. Right? Okay. Now what you do is, right, all the 3 equations are added. When these 3 equations are added, T2 and T2 cancels, T1 and T1 also cancels. Then F is equal to, you will get F is equal to what? F is equal to M1 plus M1A plus M2A plus M3A. That means M1 plus M2, that is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3, the whole into A you will be getting. Right? All these are added. When added, T2 cancels, T1 cancels, only F will remain. That is equal to M1, M1A plus M2A plus M3A. A is taken as the common factor. Okay. Therefore, A is equal to F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. That is equal to F means 18. Everybody knows force is F only. 18 divided by M1. M1 is 10 plus 30 plus 50 you will be getting. So this is equal to 18 divided by 90. That is 18 divided by 90 you are getting. That is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. That is in the 0.2 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of the system. So I think you understood. This is called the free body diagram application. Every body separately you have to see what is the net force acting on that. Net force, in the direction of the net force only the body will be moved. How the net force is calculated, that I think you understood the matter there. Right? I think you can see this and you can easily note down from the board. Okay? Easily you can note down this from the board. Next question what I am going to tell is your accelerations of the T1, T2 also have to be calculated. Okay. Now T2, first T2 you calculate. A, you know the value of A. Now T2 is first T2. T2 is equal to M3A. M3 into A. That is M3 means 50. 50 into 0.2. 50 into 0.2. That is equal to 0.2. That is equal to, right, 10 Newton you will get. Right? Am I correct? That is equal to 10 Newton you will get. T2 the value of T2 is so things. Right? Now we'll put T1 minus T2. T1 minus T2 is equal to 30A. 30A means 30 into 0.2. Right? That is T1 minus T2 means 10 is equal to 30 into 0.2 means that is equal to 6. 6. Therefore, T1 is equal to 6 plus 10. That is equal to 60 Newton. All the values, acceleration found, T2 found, and also T1 also found. So this is the question about. It's a very interesting question. Am I correct? Okay. So this also all of you will note, and slowly you will note down in your book. Every thing that I am doing on the board must be written by you, and keep the notes, and also time to time you have to learn it. So this is the way. So may I remove this? Okay. This is being removed from the board. Another question I am going to write. Another question. That question is this question. Two bodies of masses. This is the question for 15, I suppose. Two bodies of masses. Two bodies of masses 2 kg, 2 kg and 4 kg and 4 kg are connected. with each other, with the help of a string, with the help of a string,